you doing? You know, stick it in the hole.
So what are we doing, Casey?
Covering up the hole.
Okay.
Come on.
We took off the drive hose to access this. Hey, what about side cutter and getting all the electrical connectors unplugged?
Break them loose.
How many fucking times am I gonna go off there?
Hey, we are videotaping now.
Oh.
Alright, so we will come back
There we go.
the closer we get to having this taken apart.
They're unscrewing them and still unscrewing them.
This is also the very first time we've done this, so we don't know what we're really doing. But we're doing it to Rexroth pumps on a Piston Bully 400.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Well, what the heck is this? Is this something holding it down too?
I don't know. Oh,
That's it is.
That's on there though.
Let's take those two out.
That? Are you sure that's not like an adjustment?
I think that's more of an adjustment. Alright, let's find out here in a second. Alright, so we took the cover off finally, gave it a couple whacks, and it finally made it into the bucket underneath for the hydraulics. Now we're taking these last two bolts off to hopefully get this off next. What'd you do?
I just had to get an extension. They know stuff.
And then the other guy supposed to be helping us is over there talking to his brother, just chit-chatting. He's supposed to be over here working, but he's over there gossiping, just like the Gossip Girls. Oh, they're talking about snowboarding, so it's important stuff. You see? Nope. That's better. You get that off yet? It's taking so long. Ooh, that doesn't seem right. Don't you round that. You want a hammer to pound it in?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Oh, that's gonna be harder than that.
Yeah, I wouldn't be down there yet.
Need to mess it up?
No, we're taking the other part off, so yeah, it might leak out.
Maybe it's better for him to be down there so he can see where it falls when it fucking comes apart.
Okay, we're still videotaping.
Oh.
We're not sailors.
I wasn't swearing.
He was.
Oh.
You were swearing earlier.
You can add in funny noises.
Alright, that ain't working. Let's try something else. Hold on. Try something else. So he pried on the solenoid slightly and he was able to come right off. Alright, go ahead and take that out. See what we got. Uh-oh.
Ah, must be.
Let's put it up there. Took the spring off the sure it's moving?
No. Right there. Should we heat it up first? No, it's not moving.
Alright, Casey, what did we learn last time?
That this thing holds this thing down.
Okay. We already took the spring off the back.
Oh.
You sure it gets in there, right? Need help doing this? I thought Mike was doing this one.
We swapped roles.
You swapped roles this
Yeah.
time? Because he was supposed to be doing all the tools now.
Vice versa. What happened to him?
I don't know.
Didn't you take him back up to the thing? I thought Mike was going to do this because he was sick of getting all the tools last time. You got to take the washer out first.
I know. I don't have a feed.
Oh. You don't have a thingy.
No.
You don't have a knife? Just don't stab me.
Yeah. Damn it.
Broke the tip of your knife off, didn't you?
Yeah, so now it doesn't matter. Now there's no. Damn it. I need something better. Oh.
Now you're going to jab that into your side.
Okay, I get it. Alright, I'm gonna get something better.
I guess this is how we don't do things safely. Ow.
No.
You know it's literally a washer, right? Stop. You make it painful. You know that? See how that goes? You want me to put it back in there so you can learn how to do that? Maybe we just want to do it the hard way.
Did it now.
Oh man.
Wait, hold on. That was correct.
What? Hit it.
It started to move.
Did it?
I think so.
Not a chance.
Why don't you actually get that thing tight?
These
Oh yeah, it's the vice grip's fault. I forgot about that. You know, I was gonna try to push record and get this all done in one shot, but you guys are proving that.
Hey, we're actually gonna have to edit it.
Yep. Alright, so we're giving up on... Hey, careful! You're pushing that thing. Okay, we're gonna... Here we are again after a brief pause. Oh look, it's moving. Slid out. There's the washer. Yep. And there's pieces and parts.
Get this angle around.
Alright, so I had to come back here because these guys said I had to film it because I couldn't go do what I wanted to do. I'll film it now.
You want to stick that thingy in the hole?
Uh-huh.
Let me get these fuckers on there.
And we're swearing again. I must be hitting the wrong button. So.
Is it not recording then? Oh, sorry. I should
It's been recording some of it. The lights are still off.
All in there?
Uh-huh.
Beautiful.
And then the cam has to be ahead. Duh.
Why does that have to be ahead?
That's just how it
the
came
way
out.
It came out.
There's that spoon.
Is the other one the same way?
No, I need to close a little bit off.
Need a washer?
Oh no. You know what? Did we put one in the
The good thing is you can get it from the top.
I don't know. We didn't. No,
Oh,
we
my
didn't.
word.
Is this it?
Yeah.
So where's the other washer?
One at a time.
Alright, so now they think they didn't put all the parts back in the other one.
What would we do without you? There it is.
You wonder why it was spinning.
Yeah.
No, it spins no matter what.
No,
How tight is this? Like,
I don't know. It's got small
That's
threads
good.
on it.
250?
That's
probably
good. That's good. Click.
Alright, that's
Okay,
it. Good.
put this one in and then take that one out. Do you have something to clean up that?
You probably don't have to take that one out. You can probably just...
Oh, that's what I meant. Take the, you know what I mean.
Did you get all the O-rings ready to put in this?
Oh. Yeah,
Or are you just going to go without O-rings this time?
Then, no, you know, we gotta, it doesn't need all the stuff it came out with.
Okay. I'm just checking. Now, am I good recording, or do I have to keep recording until you guys put it in? Okay. Alright, so Micah is cleaning it.
Call me Molly Maid. Sitting on the track. It's fine.
Very cool.
Okay.
Stop recording again.
Yeah.
No, I think it stopped on its own. I think my card is too full.
Where's the old one, you know? Or do I have it?
I don't know.
Alright, now we're waiting for an O-ring.
What's this one? Looks like the exact same one. Put it on there.
Yeah, it's not anymore.
What in the hell? Here's this one. Put this one on there.
Just gonna leave. That's too big.
Okay. Well, the other one's pretty okay. Then take this one. Okay. Well.
What? Do you have the old one?
Yeah.
Is it good? Is it flexy?
Yeah, they both flex. But
Should be fine then. If it's not damaged.
ooh, we don't do that.
You don't do that?
I would try to use new stuff when we can. When we have a whole repair kit, we should have the right one.
Try this one. Even though it looks big.
That's too big.
Okay, there's no in between. I don't know why not help them. This is the one that I got on the other one. Is big. clogged.
Well, I hope not, because you might be taking it back out again if
Nah,
that's
we're going to find out.
and piss fluid everywhere.
Nothing worse has happened.
Okay, so now we're finally putting it back in. That Vaseline holding those O-rings in. Yeah. So I have to put the two bottom ones in. It is blurry.
Ready to push the camera button. Oh, then you gotta stop it.
I'm zoomed in too much.
Are you sitting on the tools?
Where was the other?
No,
Yep, that's the one you need.
Is that it?
There you go.
Alright, so we're putting that back on, and we'll come back.